Cook the chicken with milk and surprise yourself with the result. In a frying pan, add 5 chicken thighs, 200 ml of milk, 200 ml of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper, and stir well. After that, turn on the stove and let the chicken cook for 20 minutes. To continue, in a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, salt, black pepper, paprika, oregano, and stir well until all the spices are mixed together. Now, in another bowl, add 2 eggs, 50 ml of milk, and stir to combine. Take a moment to tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. After that, dip the thighs in the beaten eggs and then in the mixture we made. Finally, in a pan with hot oil, add the chicken thighs carefully and let them fry on low heat for 10 minutes. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and is very delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. And our recipe is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.